Welcome back to ReCraft channel. This cozy corner of our home is our dedicated me-time space, a place where we make music, read books and escape from the daily chaos. Today, we're tackling a project we have been needing for a while, better lighting. To keep everything consistent with our boho-inspired interior design, we are creating a unique DIY boho floor lamp. The best part? We are upcycling an old IKEA metal frame and transforming it into a stylish statement piece. Previously, I added a hanging decoration to soften the exposed bulbs and reduce glare. But now, it's time to give this lamp a complete boho makeover. Let's get started! The upper section of the hanging decoration was the weakest part of the design. It was clear that it didn't match the IKEA metal frame, making the DIY lamp look unfinished. To create a more cohesive boho floor lamp and elevate the overall home decor, my first step was to upcycle the section and give it a completely new look. After upcycling the outer part of the lamp, it's time to find a solution to reduce glare of the bulbs. For this project, here is what I'm using: 15 plastic bags, scissors and a hook, a plastic bottle cap, 2 sewing clips, and of course, natural fibers. with how it turned out. What do you think? Do you like the result as much as I do? Thank you for spending some time with me today. Until next time, stay well, take care, and keep creating beautiful things. Mwah.